whole point of my daily routine planner is to make me successful in my own everyday private life without being in front of a crowd, without achieving fame and fortune, to make me successful in the basics of life, spiritually, personal development, musically, focusing on myself, being accountable to something, having a planner and something to work towards every single day of my life, and seeing the development. If you don't develop yourself spiritually, educationally, years will go past and you will not go forward in life. This is a nice little package. It's A5 size. It goes into my bag. This bag has other tools. That's part of my daily planner. If I want to practice the drums, I practice on this thing here. It's in here. Wherever I go, I could be in the toilet, I could be at work. It's with me every single where I go. Again, daily routine planner is important. You can create your own, or I can create one for you. It has my goals in there. It has my weaknesses in there, my fears, things that need to change in my life, things that I need to work on, things that must be done if I'm going to progress in life. This is a bit of a messy video, but it's so important to have a plan. Everybody says about having goals and dreams. Well, you've got to have the most important things in your life in one place, something that you can take with you everywhere you go. This is my daily routine planner.